Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to create a records database out of Fairfax County code violation list. Okay, as you can see here on the screen, this is a PDF file. It's a letter from Fairfax County government with a spread. It's not really a spreadsheet, but kind of their database of what they can send me. Okay, and as you can see, this is good information, but we need it to be in a spreadsheet form, okay? Now, very easy. I'm sure you already know how to do this. It's very intuitive, but I'm going to go over it anyways, and hopefully you can just breeze through this, okay? So obviously, we're going to need to open a spreadsheet here. Oh, by the way, so this list is code violations, right? A code violation would be, say, you have a bunch of things in your yard. That would be a code violation. Or say your property looks like it's vacant and it's boarded up, or the entrance is open. Like those are all code violations, right? Things like that. I suspect there may be other types of lists from Fairfax County that would be the same format as well. So this video may apply to those lists as well, but for now this is for this purpose, for code violations. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to open a spreadsheet here, and obviously the very first most important thing is the address here. Okay, this address, let's copy this. We'll make that the first column, address. As you can see with the spreadsheet, it doesn't show the actual city, state, or zip code. So we're going to have to manually do this later, okay? So you know what? We'll just go ahead and type in the columns right now. Address, city, state, state, zip code. Okay. Now, other things we want is right here, problem. So you can see problem. There's a code associated to it, okay? Problem. We're going to paste this code. Another one here is priority. So this is blank right here at the moment, but if we scroll down, there will be other entries that show the actual priority, okay? Yeah, I mean, all of them show medium. If that's the case, let's just not even put this, okay? Let's just leave it out, okay? If you go down the list and see some that are high, those are ones I want to know about because those are the ones I want to call as soon as possible, okay? So for this one, we're going to leave out just because they're all medium. I'm going to be honest, I don't know what AP attached is. Why don't we just put that in anyways? We'll just say yes or no, okay? And problem date. Problem date. And we'll copy the date. We don't need the time, just the date is good enough, okay? I just want to get an idea of roughly when, right? And to be honest, the exact date doesn't really matter. I just want to know what month, what year. But I mean, it's easier just to copy and paste it. So yeah, that's basically what we do here. Yeah, I mean, we're just gonna do this exact same process for the rest of this list right here. And this might take, I don't know how long it's gonna take exactly, maybe maybe an hour or two, maybe a little bit more, I don't know. But so the next part after recording all this, we're gonna have to find this information here, city, state, zip code, right? So what we're gonna do actually is we do need to find the phone number of the owners actually and the name. So actually what I'm going to do here is first name, last name, we'll just put phone up here. Ideally phone should be back here, but we'll just put it up here just so that it's close to each other. And I'm kind of curious whether we can just go ahead and find their name as well, just purely from the street address. I don't think we can, but we're going to give it a try, okay? Okay, so it's not going to work. We need to sit. So we're going to have to do it in 2 steps, okay? We're going to type the address into the search, and it'll tell you it's Fairfax Station, Virginia, okay? So city, Fairfax Station, zip code, like that, okay? Now, obviously, we want to, in my opinion, getting this list done fast as possible is, yeah, so getting through the list with all the addresses, and then we'll try to figure out the phone numbers, okay? So ideally, we should have a full list of this. We'll get all the addresses, and then we'll move on to finding the owner's name and phone number, okay? And we do this by, like I showed you just a minute ago, using this website here, Yellow Pages or White Pages, whichever you want to call it. All right, so we know, so the address is already typed in. We know it's Fairfax Station, Virginia. Search, and sometimes we get lucky with a name and a phone number right here, right? We get a phone number. Wonderful. This is exactly what we want. Gary Pisner. Uh-oh, I broke it. Okay, hopefully I can copy and paste this. I'm gonna type in Gary Pisner. Uh-oh. Wow, okay, so I can't do that. I don't know why I can't paste it. I'm having problems with this, but we might have to manually type this in. And to be honest, just the first name is enough. Okay. So yeah, that's this assignment in a nutshell. Very simple. It's, 2 steps here. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, I want to thank you for the work you're delivering, and I really appreciate that. And if you have any questions, please just let me know, and I'll try to figure it out as soon as possible for you. Okay, bye.